All right, everybody, got a fun one for you today. I've had so many people asking when this was coming out, and today's the big day. This was my personal favorite couples camping fifth wheel floor plan, and they just cranked it out in a travel trailer, and it is amazing. This is the second of the Brinkley Model I family, and it's slightly bigger than the first one, the 265, as the model numbers kind of suggest. But it basically, instead of having only one seating space and then the kind of combo desk dinette entertainment multi-function station, this one goes a little bit further, adding an extra sofa in there. So what's really cool is in only about 31 foot tip to tail, we have a very private Olympic queen bedroom with a monster windshield, making it look and feel nice and spacious. This RV has, I call it a step down walk-in closet. Instead of a walk-in closet, it's a walk-down closet, effectively here. Their smart projection entertainment system that has a smart window and privacy shade. If you're gonna ask me an ultra generalized what size vehicle do I need to move this around, my generic answer is going to be something in the 3/4 ton family.